Today we're going to show you how to make cookies and cream bites. This recipe does not require an oven, so let's get started. Alright, we are going to get 20 Oreos and crush it in this bag. Let's make sure that they're really powdery. Alright, let's transfer it into a bowl. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Let's give it a mix. Okay, let's scoop out our mixture and roll it into bite size. The size does not actually matter, it's your preference. And we're going to place it on a plate lined with parchment paper. Alright, we're going to put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. Alright, while our cookies and cream bites are cooling, we're going to melt 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Alright, let's dip each cookie bite into the melted white chocolate. Alright, now we're going to pop it in the fridge for 20 minutes again. Alright, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for the next video in this 30-day posting challenge. If you enjoyed this video or learned something, consider giving us a thumbs up down below. But that's it for now. So, click over here for our last video. Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge. If you would like, you can subscribe right here. We will see you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.